Here, our goal is to simplify this algebraic expression. Notice that we have two fractions. We have 45g all over 8 divided by 15g squared all over 24. And so we have these two fractions and we have to divide these two fractions. Now, whenever you're dividing two fractions, notice that we're going to use this rule. So we're going to use this rule to help us to divide these two fractions. And the rule is the following: K S F, right? KSF. Keep, switch, and flip. So you're going to keep this particular fraction, right? So you're going to keep it as the same. You're going to switch this particular sign from a division sign into a multiplication sign. And then you're going to flip. You're going to flip this fraction. You're going to put the 24 on top, and you're going to put the 15g squared at the bottom. So that's the rule whenever we're dividing two fractions. You keep, switch, and flip. And so let's do that. That's exactly what we're going to do here. Let me erase this ink. So keep, switch, flip. So we're going to keep this first fraction right there, 15g all over 8. We switch this division sign into a multiplication sign, and we flip, right? So we put the 24 on top, and we put the 15g squared at the bottom. The next thing that we do is we multiply. So we say 45g multiplied by 24. That gives us 1080g, all right? And then we say 8 times 15g squared, which gives us 120g squared. And next thing that we're going to do is we take g squared and we express it as g times g, because that's what g squared is, right? That's g times g. And so when we do that, we can cancel out the g's. So this g cancel with this g. And then what we have left is 1080 divided by 120g. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to divide both top and bottom. We're going to divide both top and bottom, both the numerator and the denominator, by 120. And 120 divided by 120 is definitely 1, all right? And so at the bottom, we have 1 times g, because 120 divided by 120 is 1. We still have this g here. So we have 1 times g. And 1080 divided by 120 is 9. So we have 9 on top divided by 1 times g, and 1 times g is definitely g. So our answer here is 9 all over g. So 9 divided by g. And that's our answer. That's our answer in simplest form.